all set to go here. It's go!
Bagnaia dropped back in the early stages of this first lap. He's back in 8th.
Bagnaia comes through on Marini and Quadraro in quick succession. Bagnaia goes for the lead. He gets some slipstream. An Italian rider on an Italian bike and an Italian team at the Italian Grand Prix to win. It doesn't get any better than that. He is the master of Mugello in 2022. He takes a famous home victory. Pecco Bagnaia.
I'm already without my voice. I scream it loud and too much. But in any case, I'm very happy to have won this race at home in front of our fans. Is pretty great.
Congratulations to Pecco Bagnaia. He takes a memorable home victory here in Mugello.